The diseases. Mark each of these sentences about diseases as true or false. All infectious diseases are caused by viruses. That's false. A parasite lives on or in the body of another living thing. True. Living things that spread diseases always get this disease themselves. That's false. Diseases can be spread when we cough or sneeze. True. Washing hands with soap and water will stop germs from spreading. That's also true. Adding salt to water will make it safe to drink. False. On the outline of the human body, draw in the parts and label the diagram to describe the different ways the body defends itself from infectious diseases. The first is tears. Our tears contain a chemical substance that kills some bacteria. Mucus. Sticky mucus in our noses, windpipe, and other air passages traps the germs. Skin. The skin acts as a barrier to stop germs from getting into the body. Acid. Acid in the stomach kills any germs in food we have eaten. Here's a short challenge. The given table shows the number of malaria cases in the world each year. Malaria is a serious disease that kills millions of people around the world each year. The table shows the number of malaria cases reported at a clinic in Indonesia in 1 year. How is malaria caused? Malaria is caused by a parasite. Mosquitoes are vectors for malaria. What does this mean? Mosquitoes being the vectors means that they spread the malaria parasite, but they do not cause the disease or get it themselves. Here's a bar chart to show the data in the given table. The graph shows the number of malaria cases on the y-axis and the months of the year on the x-axis. In which months of the year was the most malaria cases reported? January to March. In which month of the year were the fewest malaria cases reported? July to September. And what's the reason for this pattern in the data? It was because the fewest cases occurred in the dry season. That means it wasn't much humid and it was completely dry. And the most cases occurred in the rainy season. That is the wet season. Describe 3 things that people can do to prevent getting the disease such as malaria. They should sleep under bed nets. There are certain nets that cover the bed so that the mosquitoes do not enter the area where you're sleeping. Wear long sleeves and long pants. Keep doors and windows closed at all times. The night time is when mosquitoes are the most active.